Today's teacher in the classroom is Dr. Thomas Levy. Needless to say, this class is not going to be on Facebook or YouTube. It's going straight to Odyssey and BitChute. So by the time you're reading or watching this video, all you have to do is go to the description. And if you want to watch the entire class with Dr. Thomas Levy about how to be a co-learner with your doctor, what are some of the things that we need to know that we can bring to our doctors? And if they say no, it's time to get a new doctor. So what are the things that we talked about? We talked again about hydrogen peroxide, hydrocortisone, vitamin C, ozone. We talked about a lot of different things that we need to know. Oh, olive leaf extract. So there's so many different things that we need to look at. What resonates with us? What can we research to verify what Dr. Thomas Levy is saying so that you can take your health back? There's so many people that are experiencing lots of symptoms, whether you had a virus or not had the virus, whether you had a shot or not had a shot, whatever it is that you are experiencing right now, there are things that you can do to discover, be your own MD, so much like medical detective, so much that you can do so that you can start little by little repairing your adrenals, repairing the cell in your body, repairing the things that regular science, allopathic science might say you have to take a pill for the rest of your life. And what I say is you can take a pill or you can take responsibility. Where do you take responsibility? Go to whenyouneedafriend.com. While you're there, please subscribe. Please like and follow me on social media. Figure out different ways that you can send the videos that you watch, that you learn, share them, because as you know, the algorithms are just garbling the classroom. But I know that you can make a difference. So help me out, whether it's with your time, your talent, your treasure, to grow the classroom as we enter our 12th year. We're going to celebrate our 11th year in the classroom. And I am just really thrilled that that I can honestly say that the classroom has saved my life. And I know some of you feel the same way too. So come and join us tomorrow as well as we celebrate my anniversary. Happy anniversary. Anyway, my birthday and the anniversary of the classroom. So please remember, we'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.